Hey there, I'm stoked to share with you Zonguru's newest addition to our tool suite, the Love-Hate tool. Love-Hate is the most seamless way to manufacture the perfect product. As we all know, product differentiation is one of the surest ways to stand out on Amazon as a private label seller. But manufacturing the perfect product is no easy task. Luckily, Love-Hate generates a clear and concise list of ideas which show you exactly what buyers love and hate about the products that are already on the market. So you can contact your supplier and tell them exactly what you want to ensure your customers receive the perfect product. Now you won't need to click through countless listings on Amazon and manually sort reviews to understand what buyers think about a niche. Love-Hate makes product differentiation quick and simple. Now let's jump in and see how it works. You can see here that I already have a couple products added to my list. We have this yoga mat and a little window mount for cats to lay on. Now if I wanted to add a product, all I would need to do is either add an ASIN or series of ASINs separated by commas, or add a keyword search phrase. If I add using a keyword, the tool will scan the first 50 listings that appear for that keyword. This usually means all of page 1, 2, and some of page 3. Love-Hate will then scan all 50 of those listings reviews to find common phrases and keywords and then organize them into a word cloud sorted by relevance. Now, because we are analyzing a ton of data, the scanning process can take a few minutes. This is really important, but you'll notice this status column here. You'll be able to open the Love-Hate report only once the keyword has been completely analyzed, so you can check the status here after refreshing your page. I'll quickly show you how to add a product and then pause the video while the product is being analyzed. Now this is pretty self-explanatory, but let's say I've been doing a bunch of research on pet cooling beds. This is a category that looks profitable based on the numbers I've been analyzing in SalesBuy, and the competition looks just right based on my Chrome extension searches. Now would be the time to consider reaching out to a potential supplier that makes dog beds to get quotes on price and MOQ. However, I wouldn't go to any supplier and just ask for a dog cooling bed. I want to shop around with a very specific list of criteria that makes up my golden sample of dog cooling beds. Now, I'm not 100% sure what makes the perfect cooling bed. I may have an idea about the dimensions and color I'm after, but I need to know more if I'm going to be taken seriously by a supplier. So what I'm going to do is type the keyword phrase here and click this button, which will pull up a list of the first 50 products that appear on the keyword phrase. What I like to do is select all and then scroll through the list and deselect any products that obviously don't fit in the niche. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. Alright, so now I've selected the ASINs that I want to scan, and we can see that they have now populated into this list, which I can then create a session for. I'm just going to name this session something simple like dog cooling bed, and add a tag if necessary. And of course I want to make sure that I select the correct marketplace using this drop down here. Now you can see the status is set to created, but I haven't begun to analyze the product yet. Once I am ready to analyze, I can click this little play button here. I can also copy the session ASINs into the bar up here if I want to run a similar session with a few ASINs added or subtracted, or I could delete the session entirely. Okay, so now the keyword phrase is being analyzed, as we can see here, with the pending status. And like I said, this can take a few minutes. I'm going to go ahead and fast forward a couple minutes just to show you what happens next. Alright, so now we can see the product in our list and we can see the status has changed to analyzed. Now we can open it up to see what the report has generated. Up top here we can see all of the products that are in the session. We can select individual products or we can select all, and it will show us repeating words and phrases in the reviews for the product selected. So let's scroll down here and see what repeating phrases show up. So in the love section, I see a couple keywords that catch my eye: older dog and memory foam. If I click on either of these, it will show me all 4 or 5 star reviews for all 50 of these listings, which include either of these words. Now this would be helpful because it tells me exactly which products are reviewed positively for an older dog or a dog bed that has memory foam. And I can scroll down to gain even more insight by scrolling through the reviews. Clearly, this product is well liked by owners of older dogs. Similarly, I can click on one of the negative phrases to see what some of the characteristics of the dog beds people did not like were. For instance, if I click on poor quality, I can see that this bed in particular gets a lot of hate for having a flimsy metal frame and a cheap mesh material. If If I was thinking about selling this elevated style of dog bed, what I might want to do is purchase this on Amazon to see exactly what the thing looks like, what kind of material it's made of, and the exact specifications of the bed. I would then obviously want to make sure this product is more durable, so I'd likely consider using a different material than this mesh, or maybe something like a wax canvas and a more sturdy metal frame that won't break. In just a couple moments of looking at this information, you can already see the gears are turning towards improvements. That is the whole point of the tool. The rest of the tool is fairly self-explanatory. I can add notes on the session here, like sturdy metal frame, more durable cloth material, whatever additional information I want to add. And here I can quickly and efficiently bring up Google or Pinterest image searches, which can give me even more creative ideas, which will help to improve the style of the product. For instance, I can type stylish dog bed and see a whole list of super creative products that don't appear on Amazon yet. Alright, so that just about does it. We now have some awesome notes to add to our list that we plan to bring to our supplier based on the insight that we gleaned from the love-hate generated report. We have some legitimate specifications and detail for our supplier to focus on as they begin to develop our golden sample, and we are one step closer to dominating our competition on Amazon. We hope you enjoy this tool, and as always, feel free to reach out to support@zonguru.com if you have any questions. Cheers for now.